Hey everybody, Mrs. Bianchi here. We're looking at 18. There are 230 calories in 4 ounces of a type of ice cream. How many calories are in 6 ounces of that ice cream? So the first thing we need to do is we need to take this first little nugget here and write it as a ratio. So let's put calories on the top and ounces on the bottom. So it's 230 calories for every 4 ounces. And then we have to decide where to put this value, 6. So how do you decide where it goes? Well, right now, the way we have our proportions set up, the top numbers are talking about calories and the bottom values are talking about ounces. So since this is ounces, we're going to put it down here. And we're solving for calories, so I'm just going to put a C there. Now, at the moment, this number is not compatible with this number. In other words, in your head, you're probably not able to say 4 times what equals 6. So when that happens, we have a couple of options. One option is the idea of using cross products. The other option is to maybe consider reducing this or find the unit rate. So since we've been talking a lot about cross products, let's explore that option. So if we're going to use cross products, that means we would take this number times this number. We would find what 230 times 6 would be. And then the other cross product would be this times this, 4 times C. So let's use our calculator to find the product of what I have here in red. 230 times 6, make sure you write this on your piece of paper, and we get this number, 1,380 equals 4 times some number. All right, so what's the opposite of multiply a variable by 4? It would be to divide by 4. So what do we really need to do? This side will simplify and equal 1, and 1 times 1 is C. So the only thing left you have to do is take your calculator, take this number, and divide it by 4, and that'll be your answer. Now, I do want to talk about another method of how we could do this, and that's the idea of finding a unit rate. So if you are finding a unit rate, if you take this number and divide it by 4, 230 and divide it by 4, then the ratio is really a 57 point, let's see, I'm forgetting the number already, 5 to 1 ratio. So if you like using that better and then compare that to calories over 6, that's another option to solve this proportion. All right, but either way, you'll get the same answer.